Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new rent ready that we have at 83 Canterbury Street, Unit 2. This is a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the 2nd floor in Worcester, Mass. And I'm just going to kind of go around, try to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place just from the video. So if you're familiar with Worcester, you'll know about a lot of these living rooms. So they're 2 parlor rooms, which could be essentially either a dining room and a living room, probably as intended, or you could even just put 2 living rooms in here. But either way, they both have a lot of light from the multiple windows, and big enough for a couple sectional couches and entertainment systems in here. So lots of space coming through there. You've got gas parlor heaters as well, individually in the living rooms and in the bedrooms, and also living room areas as well. This is bedroom number 1. This is right off of the parlor room. And you got renovations kind of throughout the unit. So it's nearly kind of a fully renovated unit. I mean, they're not new every single finish, but essentially all the walls, fresh paint. There are new doors installed and everything like that. So, and a deep clean of every single surface in the apartment for the most part. So it's really nice the way that this renovation came out. Coming in here, you see the kitchen. The kitchen. We're still getting a fridge delivered, but they're going to put a new fridge in here. And then as soon as I have that, I'll be updating the photos for the listing. But you have lots of space in here, and then this goes to the rest of the apartment. So you got 2 bedrooms and the bathroom on that side. And then you got the kitchen, pantry area. So you got 2 cabinets in here, which look really nice with the accent colors that are matching the cabinets down there. You got the washer dryer hookups here, electric dryer for the kitchen. And you got a granite style countertop, as well as a stainless steel sink, 4-burner gas stove right here. And you look at this bedroom, it's kind of similar size to the other ones too. It's got its own closet, its own heater. Nice window down over with the window blinds. You can see, just trying to show, the windows are all cleaned and everything like that. So it looks really nice in here. And the hardwood floors are in good condition too. Got deep clean that went through of all the floors, so they have a nice kind of shine on them. And this is bedroom number 3. So you have almost essentially size bedrooms, almost essentially the same size bedrooms kind of throughout the whole place. And all of them are big enough for like a queen and a desk/dresser combo. And so here's the bathroom. So this is the last thing on the list to get done. So basically they're going to be painting the walls white with a special bathroom paint that's going to last really well over time. They're going to be painting the walls white. They're going to be reaffixing some of these parts where it's sticking up back into the wall, and then they're going to be doing a full refinish of this. So it's going to be, they're going to reglaze it. It's going to be white all over. So kind of picture more of like a white bathroom. Then everything else was, they got the deep clean of the sink and the toilet and the floors and everything already. This is fresh paint in the closet. So really it's just the paint in that bathroom for the tub and the walls. And then this goes out to the back of the unit, which goes out to the exit. And that is pretty much the whole apartment. So that's 83 Canterbury Street, apartment 2. And if you have any questions, you can go to nexuswor.com/vacancies or go to our for rent page. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.